Today our topic is today we are going to start a new chapter, which is chapter number 2, planning business message. And our topic is understanding the communication process. So today we will discuss that what is the communication process and what is actually communication. Communication होती क्या है and what are the 5 steps of this communication process and what is the communication process which is the basic of any business message, or when you want to plan a business message or when you want to communicate with the people. For this purpose you need to understand the communication process. So let's start it. The modern world or modern era has in the modern era the world has turned into a global village. The digital revolution has profoundly changed the way we live, but it not only has changed the way we live, but it has also changed our business and communication. Now people are sending more and more messages and they are using new media as the world has become, or as the world has become increasingly interconnected. Now the modern world is more interconnected, and in this interconnected world you can see that on daily basis people are sending more and more messages, and they are using the new methodology, they are using exciting new media. And why they are using exciting new media? Because the world has turned, or the world has increasingly interconnected. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो आफ्टर डिजिटल रेवोल्यूशन एक जो आया है, और द कंप्लीट वर्ल्ड हैज़ चेंज्ड. इट हैज़ नॉट ओनली चेंज आवर वे ऑफ लिविंग, द वे वी लिव. ये जो मॉडर्न एरा है, ये जो मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड है, इसने ना सिर्फ हमारे रहने के तरीक़ों को तब्दील कर दिया, बट इट हैज़ ऑल्सो ब्रॉट अ ग्रेट रेवोल्यूशन, अ ग्रेट चेंज इन आवर बिजनेस एंड कम्युनिकेशन. And as the technology advances, the people are now using more and more methods to convey their messages, and they are now sending more and more messages. And they are for this messaging, or for sending these messages, actually they are using new technology, new methodology and new media. And the reason is that the world has turned into a global village, and the world has become increasingly interconnected. So as we have used to email messages, as we have used to email, instant messages, and Facebook, Twitter and other social media, the nature of communication remains the same. The nature of communication does not change. It remains the same. The communication process remains the same. No matter how we create or send our message, the basic communication process consists the same 5 steps, or consists the same 5 points. No doubt the world has changed. Now we have learned so many methods. Now this is the era of modern technology, and this is the time for social media. Sorry, this is the time for social media, and we have accustomed to, and we are used to emails, emails, Facebook, Twitters and other social medias, and we send our message through all these things. But the nature of communication does not change. Then the nature of communication remains the same. It means that the process of communication is the same, and the process of the communication includes that similar 5 steps. And what are these 5 steps? I will discuss it with you later on. First of all, we will discuss that what is communication. If we want to define the communication, that the communication can be defined as it's the transmission, transfer करना, transmission, send करना, transmission of information and meaning. I repeat, it is a transmission. Transmit करना, एक बात को दूसरे में जो है वो transmit करना, आपको you know the better meaning of transmission. So it is the transmission of information and meaning from a sender to receiver. The crucial element in this definition is meaning. यानी कि जो sender है, when a sender sends the message, then the meaning of the message or the transmission of the information should be clear to the receiver. जब एक सेंडर जो है जब वो अपना मैसेज कन्वे करता है और रिसीवर तक पहुंचाता है, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि बेसिकली कम्युनिकेशन कहते किसको हैं? कम्युनिकेशन मीन्स द ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड मीनिंग फॉर फ्रॉम सेंडर टू रिसीवर. यानी कि जो भेजने वाला है, जब वो रिसीवर तक अपनी बात जो है अपना मैसेज कन्वे करता है, तो इसका मीनिंग जो है वो, जो उसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन है उसका मीनिंग जो है इट शुड बी क्लियर. सो दिस इज सेड टू बी अ कम्युनिकेशन. इसको आप कम्युनिकेशन कह सकते हैं. The process of communication includes 5 steps, and the process is successful only The process of communication is successful only when the receiver understand the idea as it is, or when the receiver understand the message as it is, or the idea or the message as the sender intended it. यानी कि ये प्रोसेस जो है ये उस वक्त कामयाब होता है जब जो रिसीव करने वाला होता है, मैसेज रिसीव करने वाला होता है, उसको मुकम्मल तौर पर जो है वो आइडिया या वो इन्फॉर्मेशन या वो मीनिंग जो है वो समझ आ जाता है जो कि जो सेंडर है उसका इरादा होता है कन्वे करने का. इन सिंपल वर्ड्स यू कैन ऑल्सो से दैट द प्रोसेस ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन इज सक्सेसफुल ओनली when the receiver understand the meaning, or when the receiver understand the complete information, or when the receiver understand the complete idea as the sender wanted to convey it, or as the sender wanted to convey it, or as the sender intended to convey it. यानी कि जैसा सेंडर का इरादा होता है उसको कन्वे करने का, या जो सेंडर जो है जो उसका माइंड होता है कन्वे करने का, जो वो इन्फॉर्मेशन या जो वो मीनिंग कन्वे करना चाह रहा होता है, वो जो है जब उसको जब रिसीवर उसको मुकम्मल तौर पर अंडरस्टैंड कर लेता है कि व्हाट ही एक्चुअली वांट्स टू कन्वे, सो at that time the process of communication becomes successful. So it is very necessary to make the process of communication successful that the receiver understand the complete meaning or the complete idea of the sender message or the sender which the sender intended to convey. जो कि सेंडर जो है वो उसका इरादा होता है कन्वे करने का, उसको मुकम्मल तौर पे एज इट इज़ जो उसको समझ ले, तो इट मीन्स दैट द प्रोसेस ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन इज़ कंप्लीट, द प्रोसेस ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन इज़ सक्सेसफुल. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस द 5 स्टेप्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. हियर आर द 5 स्टेप्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. Number 1 is that sender has idea. We will later on discuss one by one all these steps. We will discuss all these steps one by one. The number 1 step is that sender has idea. Number 2 is that sender encodes idea. Number 3 is that sender selects channel and transmit message. Number 4, receiver decodes message. And 5th one is feedback returns to sender. यानी कि अब अगर सिर्फ इसकी बात पे सिर्फ इसको भी एक्सप्लेन करें, फिर हम वन बाय वन इसको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. Sender has an idea. It means that first of all the sender is a person who sends the message, जो message convey कर रहा है. अब sender should have a clear idea what he wants to send to the receiver, what he wants to actually, what sort of information or what piece of information, what idea he wants to convey to the receiver. So he should have a clear idea. So he should have a